Hello everyone, today let's talk about solar pump system. So what is solar pump system? Now I will show you what is a solar pump system. Look at this picture. The solar pump system is composed of 4 main parts. The first part is solar panels, solar pumping water, solar water pump, and water tank. Now today I will show you the solar pump in water, because it is the most important part in the solar pump system. It connects the solar panels, and the solar panels will intake the sun power, and the pumping water will convert the DC power to AC power and drive the water pump. And the water pump will force the water to the water tank, and we can use the water. So this is the function of solar pumping water. Now I will show you the machine. Dun, 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 dun. Look at this the box. We can open the box. It has this one is manual, very thin. This one is the water pumping water. Now I will show you the real water pumping water. First, look at the size. It is very small, just bigger than my phone. We can compare the manual and the water pumping water. It's a small size. We can install it everywhere, and it's very and it can save our space. For this type of inverter, we have 2 colors, white color and gray color. This one is white color. Now let's see the main parts of the water pumping water. First part, let's see the keypad. The keypad is composed of the screen and the buttons. The screen, it will display the current, the unit of voltage, the unit of current, and the unit of frequency, and the forward run mode and reverse run mode. And look at the buttons. There are many buttons in here. The PRD button is for we can set in some mode, and this set button is we can confirm. When you choose a mode, you can press the set button and you can confirm it. And this increase button and decrease button. Another button is multifunction key. You can choose many functions. And this one is shift. You can shift other mode. You can, when you press it, you can the parameters of every detailed information will displayed on the screen. Okay. Another highlight point in the keypad, we can depart with this from the pumping water. We can take it on the inside of our home, and this one will installed outside of our home. We can control it in our house. It's very easy and very cool. Another part, look at the bottom of the inverter. Wow, there are many terminals. Yes, just as I said, the inverter connects the solar panels and the water pump. the inverter, look at the terminals of RST. It connects the solar panels, and the terminals of UVW will connect the water pump. As we know, the water pump has 1 phase and 3 phase. If your water pump is 1 phase, you can choose UVW. 2 of them you can connect, is okay. And if your water pump is 3 phase, you can connect UVW, and each terminals will connect 1 wire. Okay, that's the information of a water pump inverter. It is simple, right? It's very simple because we are professional. If you want to know more, you can contact us. I will show you more. See you next time. Bye bye.